welcome back to another video with Learn French with Queen. Okay, this is the first time you are tuning into my channel or you are just seeing this channel for the first time. Yeah, it's a platform for learning French. Okay, so if you're a French lover, I say a big welcome. Yeah, we learn it gradually. We don't rush it on this platform. Okay, so on this platform, we learn in such a way that our learning encompasses the speaking, reading, and the writing skills. So do well to check out my previous videos. You find them useful, give them thumbs up, please share to loved one and to subscribe. Okay, so in today's video we'll be looking at an interesting topic as well. Okay, this time around we'll be looking at names for our baby boys. I'm excited. Okay, so the last time we looked at names for our baby girls, and this time around we're looking at names for our baby boys. So I hope you are going to find this name interesting, amazing, and useful as well, that you'll be able to pick from it and give to your baby boy. Okay, so now let's start. I've got some amazing names here for you guys, so do well to pick according to what you feel you wish your baby to be, or the kind of name you desire to give your baby boy. Okay, so I have a list of them here, so I'll be reading them out to us and their meaning. So let's get started. So here on my list I have Adrena, which means wealthy. We have Alric, which means wise ruler. Okay, so we have another one here. We have Arno, which means eagle power. Wow, that's quite a cute name. Okay, so we have another one here. We have Cedric, so which means bounty. Wow, that's quite amazing. That's a beautiful name actually. We have another one here. We have Clément. That one seems to be common. Okay, Clément. That seems to be common. Okay, so that means merciful. I have another one here which is Didier. Wow, that was quite common. So actually the my first teacher then, his name was Didier. So so this one is a common name actually. So many people bear it. Yeah, Didier. So let's check the meaning of Didier. So Didier means desire or longing. Wow, that's amazing. There's actually a footballer that is called Didier Drogba or something like that. Didier. So I know a footballer like that just Didier. Okay, so that's a French name and the meaning is quite amazing. So Didier, you can name the child Didier. So which means desire or longing. Okay, so we have another one here. We have Gilles, which simply means shield bearer. Okay, so that's quite sweet. And we have Jerome. Okay, so Jerome. That sounds amazing. Okay, so Jerome actually means a secret name, like a secret name, like something like secret, like well, that's the meaning, a secret name. So Jerome means a secret name. Okay, so we have Johanna, which means God is precious. Okay, you can give a baby boy that God is precious. Okay, so we have another one here. We have Lorisa, which simply means a winner or a laurel. Okay, Lorisa. That's quite sweet. Lorisa. That's a beautiful name actually. Okay, so we have another one here. We have Mathieu. That's quite common. That one is actually named for those that read the Bible. So I think those that read the Bible will actually know that name. That's Mathieu. Okay, so we can have it as Mathieu or Mathieu. Okay, which means gift for God. Okay, we have another one here. We have Yanni. Sounds sweet, kind of. Okay, so we have Yanni. Yanni means a gift of God as well. Wow, that's, can you see? It sounds sweet, and the meaning as well is sweet as well. Gift of God. Okay, that's quite beautiful. I love that name, Yanni. Okay, so let's move to another one. We have Yuan, which means Yahweh is gracious. Wow, that's sweet. Yanni, Yana. Okay, that's sweet. Johanna. And here we have Achille. I know a great man that bears Achille. Wow, that's an awesome name, Achille. The first day I heard that name, I was like, Achille. But the name is cool and it's nice. It's not so common like that, but people wear it. I've seen people that wear it. So Ashil is a cool name. It's cool. Ashil. Okay, so Ashil, which means great warrior, or it also means leader. In a great warrior. Oh, actually, the name was actually a name of a person who was actually a great warrior and a leader in the Trojan War then. So it was actually a name of one great warrior then. So that was how the name sparked up. So Ashila. So you could actually name your baby boy Ashila as well. We have Alderica, which means old black. Actually, if you think you want an ancient name for your baby boy, you can give him that name as well. So Alderic, which means old black. Okay, so we have Eustacia. Wow, that one sounds sweet. I love that personally. Eustacia, which simply means fruitful. That's sweet. Fruitful. So that's quite amazing. We have another one here. We have Philibert. Philibert. No, Philibert. Oui, Philibert. Yeah, that's the pronunciation. Philibert. It simply means much brightness or much fame. Wow, that's nice. Philibert, which means much brightness or much fame. Okay, so we have another one here. We have Pierric. Pierric. We have Pierric, which means stone. Wow. The name actually sounds like stone. Pierric. So that means stone. We have Roche. Roche. So you want to name your baby boy Roche. What does Roche mean? Let's look. It means bounteous. So that means something like bounteous, plentiful, in abundance. Okay. So it means bounteous. So if you want to name your baby boy that name, Roche. So it means bounteous. We have Sylvestre. Sylvestre. I think I've heard that name before. Sylvestre. Yeah, I have. Okay, I heard of Sylvan and Sylvester. Sylvester. Okay, so Sylvester actually means woodsy, and we have Adrena. So it actually means strong and famous. Okay, we have Etana, which simply means strong. So some people do say Etan, some people do say Etan. So Etana, it simply means strong. Okay, so we have Jare, depending on the location. Okay, so we have Jare or Jare. Okay, so it's pronounced a mighty spearman. The mighty spearman. We have Ronara, okay, which means brave. So if you think, oh, my baby boy is going to be a brave man, so you can name him Ronara. So here again we have Valera. Valera simply means strong and healthy. Okay, so we have Felix. Felix actually sounds like Spanish name actually. So it's actually a French name as well. So Felix, which means happiness. Okay, so we have another one here. We have Balthazar. Sounds amazing, Balthazar. I think that should be an Asian name also. But that's cute as a Balthazar. So we have God protect the king. Oh, we have another one here, Gilbert. I've heard that. That's quite common. Yeah, Gilbert. So that simply means descendant of an iris. We have Martin. Okay, this simply means Mars. Okay, an English form of it is Martin. So that's it. We have Jeremy, which simply means God. Wow, I never knew that Jeremy actually means God. So Jeremy. I think the English form is Jeremiah, and the French form is Jeremy. It simply means God. Okay, so I've got so many of them here for us. So let's keep looking through some of those things you can give your baby boy. I've got kids names for you. Okay, so we have Mark. This simply means warlike. Okay, we have Richard. Richard. Okay, so I think the English form of that one is Richard. Yes, Richard. Richard. I've heard people hear that name, Richard. So that simply means strong and powerful leader. Okay, so we have Nicolas. We have Nicolas. Nicolas. We have Nicolas, which simply means victory of the people. So Nicolas, you can name your people for Nicolas. That's a sweet name. That's quite amazing, Nicolas. So we have another one here. We have Olivier. Olivier is quite common. I've heard people say Olivier. So we have Olivier. Olivier means from an olive tree. We have Luc. Luc, which simply means light. That one is quite sweet. Luc, and it's short and it's quite chic. So you can name a baby boy that name Luc, which simply means light as well. Okay. We have another one here, Williams. Ha! Seriously, when I saw this name Williams, I was like, for real? Is this name a French word? Is this name a French name? William. And I'm like, wow, like seriously, I never knew it was a French name. I thought it's an English name, William. So many people bear William. In fact, those that bear William never know. I do not think they know that name is from a French origin as well. William, which simply means protector. Wow, that's quite sweet. Okay, so I've got so many of those names for you, so to do well to pick carefully which you love to give your baby boy. Okay, so let me give you a few more before we wrap it up. So we have another one here which says Thomas. Thomas is quite popular actually. Thomas is quite popular. So Thomas means swing. So if you wish to, or you are expecting a twin, you can name him Thomas. Name one Thomas and look for another name with T as well that you can give your baby boy. Okay, so we have Jacques, which simply means person who replaces. Okay, we have Thierry. Thierry, that's quite sweet. I know a musician that bears Thierry. Okay, so Thierry means ruler of the people. Okay, we have Andrew. Andrew means courageous one. We have Fabien. Fabien simply means farmer. We have Geoffrey, which simply means peaceful. We have Antoine. Antoine, which simply means priceless or praiseworthy. I love that name, Antoine. Antoine is quite sweet, quite amazing. Antoine, which simply means priceless or praiseworthy. We have Jura. Jura. Some people say Jurada. Jurada. That's quite sweet, and that one's quite popular as well. So it simply means excellent at using spells. You could name a baby boy as well Gabriella. It simply means God is strong or hero. We have another one here. We have Gilbert. Which means promise or pledge. And so let me give you three more and then we'll wrap it up. So we have Justice, which simply means morally right. We have Hubert, which means man with a clever mind, and we have Jules, which means forever young. Okay, so this is where we'll be stopping for today's video. I hope you are going to find one out of so many of those names I've listed. There are so many of them, but this is where we just have to call it a pause for this video. So I hope you're going to find one of these names sweet and cheeky for your baby boy. So do well to think and decide which one you want to give your baby boy. Okay, so if you find this video useful, do well to give it a thumbs up, do share to loved one, and don't forget to subscribe. See you till my next video. Wow.